So I'm Arjun Bhaskaran. I am associated with Ragnall Insurance. And what we are doing is to have an integrated approach to cyber risk management where the entire 360-degree cybersecurity technologies, process, people are important. And along with that, the fourth one is cyber insurance. Okay. So together, it's an integrated cyber risk management, and we are trying to foster a cyber secure India. Cybersecurity is a very dynamic industry. See, there are big players, established players, um, but this is one industry where a new company can overtake a leader very quickly. So leadership is not permanent. Uh, Worldwide, there are over 3,000 companies in cybersecurity. So for a CISO, it's very confusing. In each segment, choices are too much. So we need to always keep monitoring the industry, which is going up, which is superior. And India has got very special requirements. Uh, any large company in India needs thousands and lakhs of licenses. So sometimes you can't invest in multinational solution, because when you go to 2 lakh licenses, it will cost a bomb. So that's when we need more startups, more emerging companies, both from globally and in India. And that's where these kind of conferences help CISOs also to keep understand what's the trend, which is coming, which horse to bet on. So all that you get from this kind of event. The cyber security events, there are too many events happening all the time. It's a very crowded market. That's there. But nevertheless, this being CyberSec India Expo, the first edition, it's a fantastic performance in this crowded market by getting in terms of a very large, diverse set of brands to participate, a lot of thought leaders, and quality industry participation. Getting all these three, the first edition, it's a fantastic job. And CyberSec India should differentiate itself from the so many other. It's a crowded market, I told you. So it's a great event.